Hi, so today we're going to learn about strings, and this is a very simple challenge. So the challenge asks us to basically take first name and last name from the functions, so as a string, and then it passes on to this print full name. So down here, we will just take that first name and last name and then pass it on to the print statement right here. So it will be the first name, last name, hello, and then plus, and then first name right here will be first and plus, and last name will be last plus, and then we will have a quotation there. So that will be our strings right here. So basically concatenating first name and last name, uh, and there's a space between, right? So make sure that we don't forget. And that's our strings. So let's try and run this. So once we all concatenated, so input is rows Taylor. So we forgot there's space between right here. So and then yeah, so that will be hello space. Yep, and that'll be our answer, I think. Yeah, there you go. So that's our answer, and yeah, so how to concatenate a string together.